Hello and welcome back to the Hot Performance here on Kalkine TV. In today's show, we're zooming into Newcrest Mining and why shares are buzzing on the ASX. Well, today Newcrest stock traded 1.51% higher on the index at 25.195 apiece during the intraday session. That is after the company revealed that it had obtained all regulatory approvals concerning the acquisition of Pretium Resources by way of Canadian Plan of Arrangement. Today, the ASX-listed Gold Explorer announced that it has received approval under the Investment Canada Act in relation to TSX and NYSE-listed Pretium Resources acquisition. The shares of Newcrest have gained almost 3% in the past 12 months and are trading 2.94% higher on a year-to-date basis. In November last year, the company struck an agreement to acquire all of the issued and outstanding common shares of Pretium Resources that it did not already sell at the time. Now for a look at the details of the acquisition. The transaction is slated to be complete around the 9th of March, and following its completion, Newcrest is expected to provide a further update. The company said that the transaction adds a large-scale, long-life and inexpensive mine to Newcrest's portfolio of Tier 1 assets, and is also likely to increase Newcrest's annual gold production to well above 2 million ounces. What's more, the combination of Newcrest and Pretium will create the largest gold miner in the Tier 1 jurisdiction of British Columbia, operating both the Brucejack and Red Chris mines. Now, for the unfamiliar, Pretium Resources is engaged in acquiring, exploring, developing and operating precious metal resource properties in the Americas. The company owns Brucejack operations in the favorably prospective Golden Triangle region of British Columbia in Canada. Brucejack commenced commercial production in 2017 and is one of the world's highest grade operating gold mines. And looking at the highlights now of Newcrest's 2022 half-year results. Recently, the company trimmed down its interim dividend by 50% to 0.075 US cents per share after reporting a drastic fall in 2022 half-year profits. The miner reported a 46% fall in net profit to $298 million for the 6 months ending December 31. The dip in net profit was mainly due to lower gold and copper production volumes in addition to higher operating costs. The acquisition looks like all good news for the company, as it's likely to expand Newcrest's presence in this highly prospective region in British Columbia. Plus, it's believed that the combination of Newcrest and Pretium will create the leading gold miner in British Columbia's Golden Triangle, operating both the Brucejack and Red Chris mines. Well, that's a wrap for now on the Hot Performance today, but tune in next time only on Kalkine TV. This is Holly Shield signing off.